Morning. So, a little better sleep last night. It was raining early, so I think people shut the parties down a little earlier. But anyways, tonight's the big night, so we might check that out. Maybe some drums and whatnot. But right now we're headed to the post office. Closes in 45 minutes, and I have a bunch of swag and stuff I got from yesterday to ship home. I've hiked 502 miles, no blisters. I've walked a quarter of a mile to the post office and I got a blister. So I'm headed back to get my shoes so that my blister can heal a little better. Again. I don't even know if you can hear me or not, but anyways, my first funnel cake in the car wash.